Welcome to WH Creator. I hope everyone is fine and doing well. In today's video, we are going to learn how you can check and delete your YouTube history step by step. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to WH Creator and press the bell icon so you never miss any of our new and helpful videos. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Now, click on your Google account icon. After that, select Manage your Google account. Once you're in your Google account settings, click on Data and Privacy from the left side menu. Now scroll down until you find the section called YouTube History. Click on it. Next, scroll down a little and click on Manage History. Here, you will see a list of all the videos you've watched on YouTube. You can scroll through and see your complete watch history step by step. On the right side of each history item, you'll notice a cross symbol. Simply click on it, and then select Delete. That specific video will be removed from your YouTube history. If you want to delete your history in bulk, there's also an advanced option. At the top of your history list, you'll find a Delete button. Click on it, and you'll see three options. Delete today. This will remove all videos you've watched today. Delete custom range. You can choose a specific date range to delete. Delete all time. This will erase your entire YouTube watch history permanently. Choose the option that fits your need, confirm your choice, and your selected history will be deleted successfully. That's it. You've now learned how to check and delete your YouTube history easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WH Creator for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.